Welcome to the Trade of the Week Mondays, where we give one trade that was given to the StatsEdge Pro members that has triggered. Give it to you guys. Last one was awesome. Let's see if we can do the same thing this time. As always, if you are not signed up for any of the free mail lists, you can grab the free newsletter right here, and you can grab the intro to the trading plan course and the free trading plan course. You can do so right here as well. And both those get you signed up to the free list. I give one idea in this video, and then I give another idea for the email list. And then I email once a day is generally the maximum. I don't try to spam you too much with things I'm thinking about the market, podcasts I'm doing, different things like that. So definitely make sure you come on, check that out. It's a really good time. So from the pullback idea, because again, you can go to StatsEdge, you can see all of our different trading systems, you can see all the statistics right here, back tested. If you click on the detailed statistics, you can go into the different ones. We're talking about the pullback strategy, which is actually my favorite, and that you can see has the best win rate right here, and a 55 or so % accuracy with, you're right, 1.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. And this is on DBI. But let's do DHI and just talk about what we did last week first. So DHI was a breakout right here as we were watching this kind of 170 level. This has rocketed. And this is where I give a little bit of leeway to the exits of the system. So just like the one we're going to talk about today, the exit is generally on Monday open. So on the open on Monday, you get out of your position, you move on. This one has just been so strong that when we opened today, I took half the position off, and then I put a stop loss kind of right in this gap. I think it was like 178 or so. Said if it comes down and gets the rest, that's fine. I would have made a little bit more if I exited everything. So I would have just lost a little bit of unrealized gains. So far, it's going pretty well. I think I'm just going to put on like a short-term moving average, a 10-period moving average or something like that, and then just trail this one up with the other half out. Now that, again, I've locked in some money for myself, and I believe that this one has potential to go. Now, DHI was last week, and DBI is this week. So this is designer brands, where our momentum system, we're looking for things to push higher and to break out of zones. It's essentially bull flags or tight consolidations we're looking for break out of. This particular one, we're looking for stocks that were very strong last week and now are pulling back this week. And we've kind of, through a couple different indicators and all of that, we've optimized a pullback level in order to buy some. And for DBI, we got triggered in here at around 420. That's right where it is right now. This isn't a crazy moving stock. So just like DHI, this isn't something that's going to like double or get cut in half. It's designer brands, right? So it's nothing really too crazy. And what we're looking to do, the reason I like this one so much is, yes, this has been down for a long time, but you can see I kind of got drawn out here. This is a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders with this purple line right here potentially being the neckline of that. We broke out of this last week, and you can see all the congestion that happened here around $4. We broke out of that $4 area into $5, and now we've pulled back. So I'm involved in this name and a little bit of a pullback here. We have a worst case stop already in place, about 365. So that'd be right below this prior swing low right here. And what we're looking for is if we can get a pullback and then a bounce, again, with the idea of selling into next week. Again, I like this because of this potential bottoming pattern that's been going on for a long time. I've made a few videos about names that are interesting that are putting in, if you just drew it like this, like a low base, like something that has been really, really beaten up and then just stopped going down for a period of time. So we're now at the same price we were in the beginning of the year. So it's been 9 months to a year or so of just consolidating sideways and chopping around. So if we can hold this $4 area, we can hold the breakout point, that prior resistance potentially becoming support. Again, I like this one for a potential hold here, and then a close on Monday. So again, appreciate everyone for coming by. As always, right, make sure you're coming up here to StatsEdgeTrading.com. Sign up for the free email list. Take those free courses if you want a place to get started on building your own trading plan. And then come check out what we're doing over at StatsEdgeTrading.com. Very happy with the growth that we've seen there, and everyone seems very happy with what we're doing. So I will talk to you guys soon.